What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Alex Lobato's YouTube channel. Hopefully you've been watching my previous videos and becoming smarter and smarter day by day and growing your e-commerce channel. Now this video is going to show you exactly, step by step, on how to make the perfect ad copy for your Facebook advertisements. I'm just kidding, guys. So this video is going to show you the structure that I use to use for your text on your Facebook advertisements. Basically, let's get right into it because I don't want to waste my time talking and rambling on, because that's annoying when everybody does it on YouTube. Okay, so the first line should be, you kind of want to call the person out, but you do not want to too much, because Facebook doesn't like when you do that. So you can't say, if you're targeting like in the United States, hey, you guys from the United States, are your teeth really shitty or something like that, right? You understand the point. So uncomfortable about your teeth, question mark. It's not saying, are you uncomfortable about your teeth? When you say you, that means you're really calling them out, and Facebook doesn't like that. So uncomfortable about your teeth, you're kind of asking them a question that is, the answer always should be yes. That's what people say. It's a marketing tip. Really try to subconsciously get them to think, yeah, I mean, my teeth are kind of messed up. You know, this is going to really make them buy. So then I like to, say a feature or something like that. It's kind of like, think about like as seen on TV stuff. That's how you want to really make it. So your first line should, get their attention, just like the video. So revolutionary teeth cleaning solution. So they're like, oh my God, it's revolutionary. And then you're gonna say, get yours here, just so you can say. Sometimes I like to do 2 get yours here, 2 call to actions, just increase that CTR. And then down here, I like to give some bullet points, what the product is. So it's an extremely advanced, unique solution. Doesn't that sound like you're more you want to buy it now? It's an extremely advanced, unique solution. What the hell? It's also not available in stores, so you can't go to your CVS, you can't buy it. So they're like, okay, I have to buy it here. It's not available in stores. Use code at the end of the video. So I like to give like a 5% off code if they watch the whole video. At the end, I say, use code TEETH for 5% off. Also, you could change this and give it a little bit of scarcity. So price increasing very soon, right? So this is going to say, price is going to go up for this extremely advanced, unique product. You need to buy it today. If you don't buy today, it's going to go up 50%. So if it's $20 right now, it's going to be 40. You need to buy it today, right? It's extremely simple ad copy. You can use this template for all of your testing. Do not think about it too much, right? I did this. This is funny for me, right? Extremely advanced, unique solution. That's funny. These people try to get under their skin, get into their emotions. That's what's going to make them buy. If they're, subconsciously like, damn, my teeth are really yellow. It's kind of mean, but you get the point. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. This is not serious. Thanks for trusting me. Please subscribe. I'm out.